Start with the magic circle. And chain 2. This chain 2 won't be counted as a stitch. Make 12 double crochets in the circle. Once you are done, pull this loop to close the gap and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next round, chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch. 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, repeat this all around, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, chain 3, and once you reach them, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next round, slip stitch into this chain space, chain 2, this won't be counted as a stitch, 1 double crochet cluster in this stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops but do not finish the stitch, again yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops, and do this one more time, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's 1 stitch complete. Chain 3, 1 more double crochet cluster in the same stitch, one, 2, 3, 4, 4 loops, chain 7, skip this 2 double crochets and in the next space repeat the same. And once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet cluster. Next round, slip stitch into this chain space. Now in this chain space, make 7 double crochets. Chain 1 picot, chain 1 and 1 slip stitch in this bottom stitch, and 7 more double crochets in the same space. One slip stitch into this next space. Now repeat this all around, and once you reach the end, slip stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.